Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into GrowAGarden to show you how to obtain the elusive burning bud. Whether you're new to the game or looking to optimize your garden, stick around for some expert tips. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding burning bud. First off, let's clarify what burning bud is and why it's valuable in GrowAGarden. It's a rare plant with unique properties that can boost your garden's productivity and even attract special visitors. Step 2. Setting up your garden. Before diving into acquiring burning bud, make sure your garden layout is optimized. Ensure you have enough space and the right conditions for rare plants like burning bud to thrive. Step 3. Planting strategy. To increase your chances of growing burning bud, use high-quality seeds and fertilizers. Strategic placement and proper care are key to cultivating rare plants. Step 4. Cultivating burning bud. Once planted, monitor your garden regularly. Burning bud requires specific care routines like adequate watering, sunlight exposure, and occasional pruning. Stay diligent to maximize growth. Step 5. Harvesting and utilizing burning bud. When your burning bud is ready for harvest, handle it with care. Its harvest can yield special rewards or materials crucial for advanced gardening in GrowAGarden. Step 6. Advanced tips for success. For those aiming to master the art of cultivating burning bud, consider advanced techniques like crossbreeding or experimenting with different soil compositions and nutrients. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. You're now equipped with the knowledge to successfully grow burning bud in GrowAGarden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on enhancing your gardening experience. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.